How to set up a second Google My Business profile. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Complete Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to set up a second Google My Business profile. Go to your Google My Business profile, click on the three dot button, select Add a new business profile from the list, enter your business name, add your business category, click on the next button. If you want to add business location, click yes. If not, select the no option and click next. Enter the area where you serve your services. Enter your phone number. Add photos of your business. Finally, click the continue option. Now you need to verify your business address to make it visible to the public. That's all. Don't forget to give a thumb up, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Your comments and input means a word for me, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in comments below. I truly appreciate your engagement.